Hello again YouTube, and welcome to Every Tech Time. So today I'm going to do a video tutorial on how to install MS-DOS 7.1 in VirtualBox by CD-ROM this time. So last time we did a video tutorial on installing MS-DOS 7.1 on floppy disk. So now I decided I could do a video on installing it from CD-ROM. So before we get to this, I know I should be making videos more often, but and I know I keep saying that, but I just don't really see any time doing it. And yes, I keep saying that a lot as well. But yeah, believe it or not, I do still babysit my channel, and I still monitor my videos and stuff like that, and I always find the time to make new videos. But yeah, but it all works out fine. But I promise I do still make videos, and I still do try to find the time to do it. But yeah, I'll try to post stuff more often. But yeah. So anyway, as always, I will have the link in the description to get the MS-DOS 7.1 CD-ROM, so that you can try this yourself, along with the VirtualBox download website, and yeah, that stuff. So anyway, let's get started. So yeah, as you can see, I'm using the newest version of VirtualBox. It has a pretty nice interface, I must say. So anyway, we're gonna go up to File. Excuse me, not File. Go to Machine, this tab, and then we're gonna click New, or we can press Control N according to that, and we're gonna call it. And because we already have an MS-DOS 7.1 virtual machine, we're gonna call this MS-DOS 7.1 and in parentheses CD. And there you go. And the operating system type is other, and the version is DOS. So click Next. And 32 megabytes is fine. Or maybe we can try, yeah, 32 is fine. Now we're going to create a new virtual hard disk. We have it as VDI, VirtualBox disk image, and it's dynamically allocated, and 500 megabytes is fine for the file location and size. So yeah, then we're going to click Create. And now we're going to go up to, well actually now there's two ways you can do this. Either hit Settings right here, or go to Settings in this Machine tab, but I'm gonna do it right here. And we're gonna go to Storage, and do not choose the floppy. The floppy is for the floppy version of DOS 7.1. So we're gonna go to the CD right here, and then choose a virtual optical disk file. And it seems to be right here, so we're gonna select that because that's our CD we need for MS-DOS 7.1, and click Open, and click OK. And now we're gonna start our virtual machine. I kinda like that new that new image. Alright, so hit a key of choice. The Enter key seems to work for me because when I tried the other keys, it didn't really work very well. And there you go, you're in the setup. And because this does not support mouse integration, you have to click in the virtual machine and do that. So click Next in the VM. Yes, I agree with these terms. Next. Wait, no. It will now check the partitions on your hard drives. Continue. Yeah, sure, we can create a FAT32 primary partition, because we need that. And now we have to reboot the virtual machine. Yes, okay, it says rewriting master boot record. It will be overwritten. And it says, do you want to rewrite the MBR code? Sure, why not? Alright, that's the full path, so we can click next. The directory doesn't exist. Do you want to create it? Sure. Now we don't need add-ons because this is just a VM in a tutorial. So click next. Okay, sure, we can install XS-DOS. Alright. And now it's just checking. Click continue. Sure, we can have that on. Well, actually we don't need these drivers. Now we don't need add-ons. Sure, we can have the logo, cause that's nice. Yeah, continue. Alright, it says, congratulations, you have completed the MS-DOS 7.10 installation. So click OK. Yeah, sure, let's reboot. Oh wait, actually, I forgot to go up to devices and eject the CD. So let's reset it. And there you go, there's the MS-DOS logo, which indicates that MS-DOS 7.1 has been successfully installed. So yeah, here we have MS-DOS and the C drive, so we can type anything. Yeah, I wonder why. It's because I don't have a Windows operating system installed, so I can't use that command. Now, whatever. So anyway, that's how you install MS-DOS 7.1 in VirtualBox from CD-ROM. So yeah, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more tech videos if you like this tutorial. That said, this is Every Tech Time, and I'll see you next time.